Raw textures and bold art meet sleek modern lines in a home where vintage charm blends effortlessly with refined elegance. This home is designed by Elias Associates, presents a sophisticated blend of natural textures and refined finishes that reflect both historic character and contemporary elegance. Throughout the home, materials like rusted metal, reclaimed wood, concrete, and glass are used in thoughtful, expressive ways that celebrate their raw beauty rather than concealing their origins. The living spaces are both expansive and intimate, highlighted by a glass-domed atrium with an arched fireplace clad in oxidized steel. These pieces anchor the central gathering areas with both style and purpose. Lighting and artwork enhance the home's layered aesthetic, with industrial-style Parisian wall lamps providing texture and function. In the family and dining areas, built-in shelves serve a meaningful purpose, honoring a former resident's book collection. Cleverly integrated sliding panels within the shelving also conceal a hidden walk-in closet. Bold contemporary pieces, including a large Eddie Martinez abstract, amplify the space's creative energy. A small yet striking red tile detail at the fireplace subtly repeats throughout the residence, offering visual continuity without overt repetition. Diagonally inlaid wooden panels and large panes of clean glass create a striking balance between industrial grit and inviting warmth. Furniture selections intentionally blend vintage charm with modern design, featuring Bellini cab chairs, an iconic Eames lounge chair, and a sleek Casina sectional.